Hello guys, I'm Mehdi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to take the derivative of inverse trig functions. There are 6 general inverse trig functions: inverse sine, inverse cosine, inverse tangent, inverse cotangent, inverse secant, and inverse cosecant. So, the derivative of inverse sine x is 1 over radical 1 minus x squared. The derivative of inverse cosine x is similar, but with this negative or this minus sign in front of that fraction. So the derivative of inverse cosine x is minus 1 over radical 1 minus x squared. The derivative of inverse tangent x is 1 over 1 plus x squared. The derivative of inverse cotangent x is negative 1 over 1 plus x squared, only this minus sign. The derivative of inverse secant x is 1 over absolute value of x times radical x squared minus 1. And finally, the derivative of inverse cosecant x is negative 1 over absolute value of x times radical x squared minus 1. I know these equations are a little bit complicated and hard to memorize. Anyway, let's try to solve some problems. If f of x equals 2 inverse cosine x minus 3 inverse tangent x. So, to take the derivative of this thing, just try to use this formula. So, f prime of x is going to be 2. This is the coefficient, keep it. The derivative of inverse cosine is minus 1 over radical 1 minus x squared. Minus 3, keep this constant, and the derivative of inverse tangent is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So, this is the final answer for this problem. Now, let's try to solve another problem. If f of x equals radical x times inverse sine x. So, how we can solve this problem? At first, let's get rid of this radical thing. I'm gonna rewrite. Instead of radical, we can write x to the 1/2 sine inverse sine x. As you see, it seems that we have to apply product rule to solve this problem. So, as a reminder, using the product rule, f prime of x equals the derivative of first, which is 1 over 2x to the minus 1/2. Just putting down this power as a coefficient and reduce that power by 1. So f prime times g, original next function, it is inverse sine x, plus, now let's take the derivative of second term. The derivative of inverse sine x is 1 over radical 1 minus x squared times the original first function, which is x to the power of 1 over 2. This is the final answer. Anyway, we can do more, algebraic simplification, but I'm gonna skip that thing. Before finalizing today's topic, I'm gonna write these 2 points. The first thing is this: inverse sine x is not equal to 1 over sine x. This negative 1 is just a notation. It's not an exponent. It's not a power thing. And the next point is this: instead of this notation, we can use arc sine. Both are related to inverse sine x. In this video, I tried to show you how to take the derivative of inverse trig functions. So, if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. See you next time.